Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions, and today I'm going to teach you how to replace your Beats Studio Earpads. As you can see, these earpads are messed up and it's right about time to change them. The first step is to remove the old cushions. For that, you will need a butter knife. Gently shove the butter knife underneath the earpad and slowly separate it from the ear cup. Do this from several angles around the cushion until it is easy to remove. As you can see, this is the right side earpad. You can tell because of the USB charging port that will always be on the right side of the headphones. After you remove the cushion, you should remove any remaining adhesive from the old cushion that was attached. Luckily enough, here there was no remaining adhesive to be removed. So what you will need to do is just grab the alcohol wipe from the package that you got and clean the surface around the speaker. Let the surface dry for a minute and grab the right side replacement cushion. You will be able to recognize it since it has a special USB port cut out. Take your butter knife again and gently make a cut on the surface of the adhesive. That will make it easier for you to peel it off. On the cushion, there are holes that are made to fit the dowels on the headphone ear cup. The two holes that you will need to fit on this cushion will be the top right and the bottom left. Start off by aligning the top hole to the dowel, and then align the bottom one. Once both dowels are fitted inside the hole, press the cushion to the ear cup for about 30 seconds. As you can see, the cushion is firmly in place. Let's move on to the left side cushion. As you can see, this cushion is completely messed up, and a lot of our customers have gotten to a point where theirs look the same or even worse. In this situation, they sometimes pull the cushion without actually removing the plastic base that holds the cushion, and then it looks something like this. If your ear cup looks like this after removing the cushion, it means that you have only removed the foam and you have not completely removed the plastic base. Do not install the new cushion on top of this because it will fall off eventually. You will need to grab your butter knife again and gently remove that piece of plastic. Shove the knife in between the plastic and the headphone cup from several angles and slowly separate it until it is easy to remove. Remove the remaining adhesive that is on the ear cup completely and clean it off with the alcohol pad that you received in the package. The left side cup also has two dowels to fit into the holes of the earpad. However, there is a confusion that sometimes comes up regarding which side is the top of the cushion and which side is the bottom of the cushion. You will be able to recognize the bottom of the cushion by looking at the seam. The seam that connects the leather marks the bottom of the cushion, and now all you need to do is align the proper holes to the dowels on the ear cup. Make a small cut on the adhesive again, remove it, and attach the earpad to the ear cup. And that is it. You have successfully replaced the cushions on your Beats Studio and you are ready to enjoy them all over again. If you have any questions, you can contact us by email at info@wickedcushions.com.